Guys, this is a public announcement. We, as you know, have been doing lots of servicing work lately. We have been doing warranty work. We have been doing wet belts. And I can tell you now, the price of oil is gonna skyrocket. The situation in Iran is affecting everything. We've already seen the price of fuel. Food is starting to become affected, but oil has gone crazy. We have just phoned up for a normal run-of-the-mill barrel of oil, 200 litres, and that would normally cost us around £450 plus VAT. We've just got off the phone and the cheapest one we could buy was nearly double that. And that is in the last couple of days. Now, there is certain vehicles, like your PSAs, like your Fords, that will use a certain oil. And I can tell you now, it is going to be eye-watering if you leave your servicing. Because what you're going to need to do is make sure that you get the servicing done. If you have to get it done earlier, maybe a month or two before it's due, get it done. Because I guarantee you the price of your servicing in the next month or 2 months' time will be double what you will pay now. And if you've got a car that is in warranty and you go outside of that warranty period because of the price of oil, because there's a war going on, guess what? You've just given them a get out of jail card and they will void your warranty. So trust me when I say the price of all of this oil is going through the roof. Whilst people have got stock of oil. Now I have just bought a 200 litre barrel of oil for £650 plus VAT because I've acted now. If you leave it, it will be double that in the next month or so. So anyone who's got a garage, get your oil, get it stocked, and then you won't have to worry so much. Otherwise, what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave it a month, your barrel's gonna cost you 1,200 quid, 1,300 quid, and then you've got to pass that on to the customer. The customer then is going to be paying £10, £20 a litre for their oil to have it serviced. And guys, the manufacturers will have you over a barrel. Excuse the pun. They will have you over a barrel if you miss your servicing schedules. The wet belts need the oil changed. The transits need the oil changed. Do not delay. And as you can see, we have got a range of oil here. And where these would be naturally 35, 45, 50 pounds, 60 pounds, these are 100 pounds now, 80 odd pounds. So guys, I cannot stress the importance of you getting out there and getting yourself your service done. If you don't believe me, have a look for yourself, because I do this every day and I can see what's happening to everybody. We're in it together. As always, if you're listening to me, thumbs up, you will do well. If you don't listen to me and you see this video in a month's time, don't forget to comment below and let me know how much you actually paid for your oil. It's not going to get any cheaper. It is only going to go up. Spread the love. Tell everyone, guys. We do not want people getting ripped off. Spread the love. Hype the video, like the video, share, tell everybody about getting their car serviced whilst there is stock of oil. Trust me, guys, look after your neighbours, look after your friends and family. We'll see you on the next one.